1 plus 1 equals 2. And 3 square equals 9. So 9 times 2 is just 18. And this 18 divided by this 18 gives us 1. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. Okay, in this expression we have one division, one exponent, one multiplication, and one parenthesis. Here we have a multiplication because in mathematics when a number is placed next to parentheses it means multiplication, and we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. Okay, according to the order of operations, first we have to do this parenthesis, then this exponent, then this division, and finally this multiplication. If you do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first this parenthesis, 1 plus 1 gives us 2. So 18 divided by 3 square times 2. No, we have to do this exponent. 3 square equals 9. So 18 divided by 9 times 2. Multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. 18 divided by 9 gives us 2, and 2 times 2 is just 4. This is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 4.